Good day everyone, welcome back to the Numberland. Today is day 2 of geometry and trigonometry. Yesterday we explored angle, symmetry and triangle properties. Now we are moving to the exciting world of measurements, coordinates and circle. These topics connect math to real life, like designing buildings, measuring lands or even navigation. Now, part 1 is mensuration, 2D and 3D shapes. Before discussing perimeter and area 2D, I am showing here on screen the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. 2D are flat but 3D are not. For 2D, we deal with length and height only, but in 3D, we also add width. Check out here I am showing. Rectangle, triangle and circle. In diagram, we need to find perimeter and area. Now I am showing rectangle, triangle and circle in diagram. We need to find the perimeter and area. For the rectangle, perimeter it's equal to 2 length plus width and area length into width. For triangle, area is half base into height, and for the circle, circumference is 2 pi r, area is pi r square. Now the topic is surface area and volume 3D. I am showing here 3 examples of 3D shapes. Number 1, cuboid, where surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Volume is equal to L into B into H, where H is height, L is length and B is width. For the sphere, surface area 4 pi r square, volume 4 over 3 pi r cube. For cylinder, 2 pi r h plus r, volume pi r square h. You will find solved example at the end. Part 2 is coordinate geometry. Look at here on screen showing x and y axis along with quadrants 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now coordinates of quadrant 1 are plus plus, second are minus plus, third are minus minus and 4 are plus minus respectively. Now I am writing here formulas for finding slope, midpoint and distance between 2 points. Check out. Now, part 3 is circle geometry. Number 1, tangent theorem. A tangent is a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Now, chord to a circle, a line segment that joins 2 points on the circumference of the circle is defined as the chord of the circle. Among the other line segments that can be drawn in a circle, the chord is one whose endpoints lies on the circumference. Observe the following circle to identify the chord PQ. Diameter is also considered to be a chord which passes through a center of the circle. Angle properties. A cyclic quadrilateral is a four-sided shape that can be inscribed into a circle. Each vertex of the quadrilateral lies on the circumference of the circle and is connected by 4 chords. The opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral have a total of 180 degrees. Thank God day 2 is ended. Today we learned how to measure shapes and mensurations, locate points with coordinate geometry and explore powerful circle theorems. These tools are everywhere in designs, engineering and navigation. Tomorrow in day 3 we will complete our journey with trigonometry and its real life application. Stay tuned. This is Numberland where maths come alive.